Hey guys, it's me Leticia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this easy brow routine using 3 products. First, I'm using my NYX Brow Mascara in the shade Espresso, my e.l.f. Brow Pencil in dark brown, as well as my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. So the first thing I do is take the brush end of my e.l.f. pencil and brush my brows out so that they're nice and smooth, and I just kind of put them into shape. So as you can see in the front, I brush them upward, and then as I go towards the back, I brush them out and down. So now I'm taking my brow mascara, and I really take my time with this. This helps to fill in any sparse areas, especially towards the front. And I just go ahead and brush the product all the way through my brows just to get them as full as possible. Now, if you're more into a natural brow, you can definitely leave it at this, but I want my brows to be as precise and clean as possible. So I'm taking my e.l.f. pencil and I am drawing an outline right along the bottom of my brow just to get them as nice and sharp as possible, and also dragging it out and creating a little tail on the ends. And I do the same thing along the top and just really get them as nice and even as possible, because my left brow is actually a little bit smaller than my right brow, if that makes sense. So I want to make sure that I get them nice and sharp as well as even. So this is what I like to call the rough draft of my brows, but we're not finished just yet. I'm going to take that same brush and just really brush out the front of my brows so that they're nice and kind of feathered in the front. I like how it looks more faded. That way it kind of looks more natural. I don't like the heavy, boxy looking brows, so I really like to take that brush and just really brush everything and get it nice and blended out as possible. So now I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm just using the applicator that it comes with, and I like to draw a nice thick line of concealer along my brow. I don't go directly up under it because I don't want to mess it up and get concealer in my brows, but I just draw a line right across. That way I can take an angled brush, as you see here, and just get that nice and cleaned up along the bottom and nice and sharp. And then I just take whatever's left on that brush and I go along the outer part of the top of my brow just to get it nice and sharp up top. I don't take any concealer too close to the front because I don't really like too much concealer along the front of my brows. If you're following, I don't know how to explain it, but I just keep that concealer along the back end of my brow when I go across the top to clean it up. So then I just take my finger and I blend out that concealer so it's not just sitting on my face. And of course, this is the routine that I do before I put on my foundation, because obviously you can see the concealer. But this is how my brows look at the end. Keep in mind, no brows are alike, so don't stress yourself out. But this is the final look of my brows. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All the products will be down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.